leads to McColl's farm. The McColl farm is coming up. Choose your engine. This is your toy collector. Lights on. Oh no! Chipmunk wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging them back into their pen. Just drag the seat and drop super! That was off the rails! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Look, that one has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job! That was off the rails. Pick any toy you'd like. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to Titmouse Sheds. Left leads to next stop, Titmouse Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate